Why good employees quit their jobs. Let's try to understand this in today's video. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you find this video meaningful and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Well, you have one of your best employees walk up to you and hand over the resignation. I am quitting. और आप स्टेट ऑफ शॉक में हैं, आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा, सब कुछ बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा था. He was one of the best performers and it was all good. Suddenly उसने रिजाइन क्यों किया और आपको बताया क्यों नहीं? Now जब आप पूछेंगे और जितने भी रीजंस आते हैं, राइट, वेदर इट इज ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं दिख रही या एवरीडे चैलेंज नहीं है, कोई एक्साइटमेंट नहीं है, बहुत रूटीन मंडेन काम हो गया है, बोरिंग हो गया है, कोई एक्नॉलेजमेंट नहीं है, राइट, all of this ultimately boils down to poor or ineffective leadership. राइट, तो एज अ लीडर आपके वो एम्प्लॉयज़, खास तौर पे मैं सभी की बात कर रही हूँ, बट स्पेसिफिकली जिनको आप क्लासिफाई करते हैं एज द गुड एम्प्लॉयज़, जिनको आप एसेट की तरह देखते हैं, यू रिलाई हेविली ऑन देम. Is it just enough to maybe have a cup of coffee with them and see how are the targets looking like, काम कैसा चल रहा है, what needs to be done, what shouldn't be done? I think going a step further, you need to see what is missing when we talk about the leadership. जब growth नहीं है या excitement नहीं है, challenges नहीं है, as a leader, have you taken that upon you? Have you stood there कि he or she, must grow. He or she must feel empowered. जब वो यहाँ पर आया है, what is it that he is looking at in the next 5 years? What is his growth plan? Where does he see himself? If not 5 years, maybe next 1 year, next 2 years. क्या वो ट्रैक पर है? क्या पेन्स हैं, क्या चैलेंजेस हैं जिनसे वो जूझ रहा है, जो वो डील कर रहा है, नॉट जस्ट प्रोफेशनल स्पेस में, पर्सनल स्पेस में, क्योंकि दो अलग लोग नहीं हैं. Personally, what are the things and how is he going to address those? What are his needs? What are his desires? वो कैसे फुलफिल होगा? एज अ लीडर जब तक आप वहाँ खड़े नहीं होगे, आप वो चार्ज नहीं लेते हो दैट हिज एम्पावरमेंट, हिज ग्रोथ इज what I will support him in tracking. He has to take the actions, of course, but just like in a I would say a flavor of mother-child relationship where mother has the back. So somewhere, if you don't have the back of your employee, if he doesn't have that trust that yes, he's there, that's when you get these shocks. Versus पॉसिबल कि ग्रोथ नहीं दिख रही है, या चैलेंजिंग एनवायरनमेंट नहीं है, या ओवरऑल कल्चर जो है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का वो बहुत एम्पावरिंग नहीं है. बट इफ यू हैव दैट कनेक्ट, ही विल ऑलवेज वॉक अप टू यू फॉर एन ओपिनियन. ही विल कम टू यू एंड से, मैं ये देख तो रहा था पर मुझे ये होता हुआ दिख नहीं रहा, मैं इस ग्रोथ की तरफ बढ़ रहा था, मैं ये एक्शन ले रहा था, बट आई फील दिस इज वॉट इट इज, दिस इज द रियलिटी. मुझे मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है, I'm not able to do that. I feel restricted, whatever he's going through, whatever he's feeling. And then you can always figure out. Now you may say कि this is what it is, or you may go back, revisit the plan that you had chalked out. You may actually figure out what could be the possibilities और क्या किया जा सकता है. वो space अगर आप एज अ लीडर उस एम्प्लॉय को दे रहे हैं, ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू मूव आउट. एंड इवन इफ ही चूजेस टू, अल्टीमेटली इफ यू सी देयर इज नो अदर वे, ही विल नेवर गिव यू अ शॉक. ही विल confide in you rather. Do you want your employees to experience that space where they can just walk up to you? then you need to ask yourself, as a leader, are you providing that space to them? Are you standing there for them? Do you have that connect with them? Are you a leader who is empowering them, who's nurturing them to become leader? Right? तो अगर ऐसा है, अगर ऐसा होगा, then they will not quit. It's very rare we say he got a better package or he got a higher designation. That's not what people quit for. Yeah. So I hope this gives you a perspective. आपकी टीम में अगर किसी ने quit किया है, it was a shocker for you where you were like, what is happening? Then trust me, there is something that you need to really look at towards yourself. You may figure out this is the reason, this is what it is, but as a leader, you really need to look at your leadership and really try to figure out what went missing. And you will get the clue is come down to the connect, come down to your stand for that employee. If you found this meaningful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.